Illuminati. The 7 facts about Egyptian Hermetic principles and some scientific and spiritual concepts. Once upon a time, in a universe filled with mystery and wonder, there were 33 secrets whispered by the Illuminati. These secrets, like hidden treasures, held the key to understanding the world around us. Meanwhile, ancient Egyptian wisdom embraced the Hermetic principles, guiding seekers on a path of balance, vibration, and cosmic order. As we delve deeper into the mystical realm, let's add a touch of scientific magic. Enter the theory of relativity, where time dances and space bends. Einstein, the jolly physicist, discovered that the universe is like a cosmic symphony, where everything is connected in a grand dance of energy and matter. Now, let's sprinkle in some synchronization theory, where patterns emerge and coincidences wink at us knowingly. It's like the celestial choreography, where stars align and serendipity dances hand in hand with fate. But what about our secret math equation? Let's weave the numbers 7, 33, and the theory of relativity into a cosmic equation of wonder. Imagine a formula that harmonizes the 7 Hermetic principles with the 33 Illuminati secrets and the mind-bending concepts of relativity. It represents the interplay between knowledge and mystery, science and spirituality, seen and unseen. As we embrace this equation, we discover that scientific evidence and faith theory can coexist, like two playful cosmic partners. They dance together in a realm of possibilities, inspiring hope and illuminating the path of understanding. It's a harmonious duet where reason and intuition hold hands, reminding us that the universe is both a playground for exploration and a canvas for our dreams. In the midst of this cosmic dance, we encounter spiritual warfare warnings, cautioning us to navigate our journey with discernment and love. It's a reminder that in the pursuit of knowledge and enlightenment, we must also cultivate compassion and empathy, for the light within us can guide others out of darkness. So, dear storyteller, let this tale remind us that even in these uncertain times, there is hope, love, and faith. The lights of knowledge and understanding shine brightly, inviting us to embrace the wonders of the universe, both seen and unseen. As we embark on this journey, may our hearts be filled with curiosity, our minds with open inquiry, and our spirits with the joy of discovery. In today's times and days, our ideas hold immense power. They serve as beacons of light, guiding humanity forward on a collective journey. Just like eyebrows frame our eyes, our ideas frame our perception of the world and shape our actions. As we open our eyes to this new moment, we witness the birth of new life and the evolution of consciousness. Higher vibrations beckon us, inviting us to elevate our thoughts, emotions, and actions. It is through the power of love that we can ascend and find salvation. Love becomes the driving force that propels us forward, inspiring compassion, unity, and a deep connection with one another. However, there is also an underlying warning. In the wake of destruction, it is our collective responsibility to ensure that love remains the guiding light. As the world seems to ignite with challenges and turmoil, it is crucial that we, the individuals who carry the light within us, shine even brighter. Our souls, like the light of our dreams, possess the power to illuminate the path for others. But how do we put these concepts into practice? It begins with recognizing that our ideas, rooted in love, can shape our reality. By nurturing and sharing these ideas, we contribute to the collective consciousness, creating a ripple effect of positive change. It involves embracing empathy, understanding, and kindness in our interactions, fostering a harmonious coexistence. Furthermore, it is essential to remember that dreams are not just fleeting illusions. They are the essence of life itself. Dreams ignite our passions, fuel our ambitions, and serve as blueprints for a better future. By aligning our actions with our dreams, we manifest them into reality, infusing our lives with purpose and fulfillment. In this journey of light and love, let us each embrace our role as bearers of the light. Together, we can illuminate the world, dispelling the shadows of fear and division. As we navigate through life's challenges, may we find solace and inspiration in the power of love, knowing that we have the capacity to shape a brighter future.